Hi, Claudia here. Today we are back with the third book that we're going to do the cover. And this one is supposed to be for summer. And then let's work on it. So, how are you doing? Are you okay? We are working hard. Try to finish a lot of projects. And packing some stuff. You know, sometimes, oops, okay. I was ready to make a mistake. I think I'm in the right position. I think so. Let's add oops. This one is a little big. Why? Why? Huh. Well, why? Simply because I cut it. Let's see if I can cut it here. It's just a little bit. It's just a little bit. Come on, stay there. Don't move. Nobody have asked you to move. Oh, come on. I didn't want to get the glue on the thing, but now it's all over. And I think with this one we can take it out. Okay. Okay, so nothing happened. Let's put the glue again. Okay, nothing happened. Here we're going to go a little bit heavy with this dress. This one it goes this way. Now, before we put this one, we have to make sure And we are going to decorate all those pockets and things, but now it's just to put it down so we can have everything on place, and then we're gonna decorate. That way we know how much space we have, how heavy can we go with decoration, or how light this has to be. Oops. This one, oops. Look at my hand, how they shake. I'm gonna put this one here. Straight, Claudia, straight. And so that way we are gonna have a cute pocket, an extra pocket. So look how far we have got. We have number 1, number 2, and number 3. This was fast because I have absolutely everything ready, and I'm gonna be back with this is summer with fall. Okay, I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it, and see you soon. Bye bye.